Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. So this is the list of really board work problems that I answered during the exam prelim examination. So for the number one, we have the statement of a boiler house as a natural draught chimney of 20 meters height, and then flue gases are at temperature of 380 Celsius, and then ambient temperature is 27 Celsius. So determine the drought in millimeters of water column, the maximum discharge through chimney, and also the air supplied per kilogram of fuel. So for the given, we have chimney height of 20 meters, and then flue gas temperature which is 380, and then ambient temperature is 27, and then the condition maximum discharge through chimney. Um, this is we're gonna find. So required, we have drought produced in millimeters of water column H2, and then we have air supplied of fuel, so MA. Um, this 353, we gonna subtract a this wait, so this one, so 380 minus 27 is equals to 353. So that's where we get the H. So for the two, this is a formula base. Is from this is a formula base. For the computing, we multiply, and then after multiply, we transpose a TR, which is our TR is um 20, and then we minus that, we times that 300. So the answer was 11.77 millimeters. And for the h, we have 353 times h, and then 1 over t air, then m plus 1, then mx plus t gas. So we're gonna transpose this one. So this is h, then 3 over 353 equals 1 over t air minus m plus 1, and m times t gas. So we have after transpose, we converted it. So m plus 1 m times 1 over t gas equals 1 t air, then h over 353 times h, and then m plus 1 and m equals to 1 over 300 minus the answer there, 11.77, and 353 times 20, and we times this 353. So we're gonna get this 653. So m plus 1 and equals to 1.088. So if we're gonna deduct minus this one, 11.77 and then 1.08, it we gonna answer of 11.36. So that was the answer for the number one. So we proceed to number two, and then the statement here that determines the temperature of hot fluid gases, natural drought produce and efficiency of chimney. For the maximum discharge through chimney have a height of 80 meter. Boiling furnace is supplied with 20 kilograms of air or fuel. The maximum temperature of hot flue gases with artificial drought is 110 Celsius. Temperature of surrounding is 27, and specific heat flue gas is 1.0032 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. So we have chimney height, which is 80, and then air supplied per kilograms of fuel, we have MA. So we have 20 kilograms air, kilograms fuel. So we have minimum gas temperature with artificial drought, which is DG, and then 110 Celsius. We have ambient or surrounding temperature, which is we have 27 Celsius. Then specific heat of flue gases, which is CP, we have 1.0032. And then for the condition, we have maximum discharge through chimney. So the required was temperature of hot fluid gases, natural drought produced, and then efficiency of the chimney. For the solving, we have T gas equals to 2, and then and then m plus 1 over m times the air. So we have 2 um 2 times 20 plus 1 over 20, then times 300. For we have the compute answer of 360 kilograms. So we so for the h 353, and then for the 353 we convert this TR into 300. So the answer was a h, we have 47 water. For the height we have 80, and then we have gravity of 9.81, so times h, then 1000 cp tg minus tr, which is not at, which is the air. This is the air, that's not the art. Then 9.81 times h over 1000 times 1.0032, then times 370 minus 383. So we have computed the answer for the efficiency of the chimney, which is 0.3167%. So for the number 4, we have the statement of if an actual draft required for the furnace is 6.239 centimeters of water, and the frictional losses in the stock are 15% of theoretical draft. Calculate the record stock height in meters. Assume that the flue gases are average temperature of 149 and molecular weight of 30. So assume that air is temperature of 21. So for the given, we have actual draft required, which is 6.239 centimeters water, and then we have frictional losses, which is 15% of theoretical draft. And then we have flue glass's temperature, which is 149 Celsius. And then flue glass molecular weight, we have 300 kilograms um, per mole. And then we have ambient air temperature, which is TA. We have 21 Celsius. So the required was stock height in meters. So for my solution, I drafted this on paper. So we have HW equals 6.39 cm plus 0.15, because this 15, we're gonna convert 15% into the 0.15 divided by 100. So we have actual dry, which is 6.239 centimeters. These centimeters we're gonna convert into a millimeters. So we have 6.239. And for the losses, we have 15% of theoretical. And then flue gas temperature, we have 149 Celsius, which is if we're gonna plus to 273, we're gonna get the actual answer of 422 Kelvin. So for the ambient, we have 21 Celsius converted again. So we have from 273 Celsius, so we have 294 Kelvin. And for the HTO, we have 62.39, and then divide to 0.85, and then we have get the answer of 73.4 millimeters water. Then transpose, we have 73.4, then equals to 353 over times h, then times 1 over 294, then 1 over 144. So that equals we have 353, and then 0.00103. So we divide the h, which is 73.4, and then we have 0.36, 35354, 359. So the final answer was h 201, 201.9. This is for the problem number 4. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching my videos, and again, I'm very grateful.